learn how to make this cool half hitch spiral, and check out my idea for using it at the end of this video.
I've got a rope in my fingers and cord in my hair, the scent of the seas riding soft through the air. From morning till dusk, I'm nodding away, tying knots by the dozen, every hour, every day. Oh, so many knots to tie, I'm never sitting still, with a sailor's heart and a craftsman's will. Square knots, clove hitch, monkey's fist too. I'm tying and pulling till the daylight's through. The sailor knot snug, holds fast in a storm, keeps the old rigging tight and the canvas warm. A whipping keeps fray from the end of the line, so every last cord looks proper and fine. Yeah, so many knots to tie, they dance in my dreams, from the cabin below to the deck and the beams. Turk's head spinning like a braided crown, I wrap it and tap it, and I never slow down. Macrame cords in patterns so sweet, knots in a rhythm, a rope made beat. Wall hangings, plant hangers, and bracelets too. My fingers are flying with a job to do. A clove hitch grips tight to the post or the rail, and a monkey's fist swings like a wind-blown sail. A square knot binds what a sailor would trust when the sea is a beast and the gear mustn't bust. Oh, so many knots to tie and stories they tell of ocean-bound lives and saltwater spells. With cotton cords strong and a heart full of pride, I'll keep tying knots till the end of the tide. So here's to the cord, the twist and the thread, to the knots in our hands and the lives that we've led. From Mystic to Maine, let the line never stop. So many knots to tie in this little old shop.